All right, I got my young buddy here, Xavier. He's going to film me doing a, it's called a Dutchman repair on this sash right here. So I'm going to give him the camera, all right, and just kind of get some good footage of me doing this repair, okay? So what is it I have to repair? Okay, let's look and see. What happened here? This right here? Here, come up and get close right here, see this? See how this is broken, okay? I'm gonna fix that real quick, okay? I've got a couple little things here. But I got a saw there. I got a plane. I've got to get some glue. So what size is that? It's that's probably 3/16 or so. So let me go see if I get a piece. I got a piece right here. This is probably about a 1/4 inch. It's too big, I think. Yeah, I think it's a little too big. Okay. That's about the same thickness, right? Yeah, that's good. So what I'm going to do, take my handsaw here, and I'm going to cut it at a downward angle. Okay? Not much. Okay? Just a slight one. And I cut it to right to the point where this molding profile stops. Right? That's a natural corner right there, so that's where I want to go to. And I'm going to get my chisel. Okay, now here's something cool. Watch. Do I keep my tools sharp? Let's find out. Okay. Check out this spot on my arm. Okay. Watch this. Okay. It's pretty sharp, right? You know, if you have to shave, you can always borrow my chisel. So, just gonna gently tap this out. Gentle taps. Okay, just got to get it flat. Nice blue surface. Hey, what's the name of this band? This Candlebox? I gotta have a little hole right there, I guess, but I'm gonna live with that. Okay. You getting that? Cool. All right, that's good. So what I'm gonna do is get my sanding block now. Sanding block, hopefully I'm gonna do is just gonna kind of even it out, okay, and make the surface a little rough, so that glue, if I put the glue on there, it has a nice rough surface to bond to. Okay. So then put my piece there. That piece is really big, so what I'm gonna do, it's too long, so I can't get a good read. I'm just gonna cut it down a little. Get it. Okay. See, I need it to be, yep, just like that. Well, except I like that piece of see. Just like put it this way. See what I'm doing? Okay, so I'm gonna sharpen my pencil. Got a dull pencil. Sorry, I don't have a Festool pencil sharpener. I have to go old school. Here we go. That's sharp enough. That's sharp enough. Okay. Okay. Nice. Okay. So I'm going to put it, see that? I'm making that mark right there? Is that in there? Okay, so I want this piece here, okay? I'm going to cut this piece off. And actually, if I can mark my line right there, I know that this piece here, I want this piece right there, but I want it to be that wide, so I'll just take this line and extend it. See that? I'm gonna rip that with a table saw a little bit. I want this side, right? So I'm gonna cut a little wide of my line here. Okay. Cool. All right. Look at that. Okay. There we go. Is that gonna work? Maybe it's a little too long. It's gonna be close. Maybe this would be a pressure fit. Oh, it is a pressure fit. See that? Okay. Fits in there, and it's a little long. So see that? Okay. So that's good. It's a nice pressure fit. That's what that point's for, right? That point that's in there locks it in somewhat mechanically. Okay. And it looks like I've got a little spot I gotta take off there. Just gonna. Go round a little bit there. But I seem to be touched by you. Mm-hmm. Oh, that's better. See, I'm putting that guy in there. Okay. Put a little bit of glue, and I don't even need any tape on it. But you know what, Xavier, while I'm doing that, what stops me from doing this piece? Nothing, right? Might as well. We came. So this is what we call this piece here. That's what I call a lock knock, because there's a sash down here that's got a lock on it, and it's not here right now, obviously. But when you lift it up, you know the sash that would be here has a little handle there. The handle gets turned around. When you lift it up, it comes up and explodes that off. So see if I can get this here. An angle here. Oh yeah. Yeah, get my angle like that. Okay. See, I got my angles cut. See that? That's all good. Maybe got a couple little relief cuts. There you go. Well, so much to cut out with my chisel. There we go. So I'm gonna take out my pieces there. All right. Stand up now. And see, I'm gonna put my hand on the glass, give myself a little bit more control. Excellent. Okay. Okay. I got a piece cut already, kind of. Huh. Not exactly the right angle. Let's see. Good. Look at that. If I get that there. Okay. We'll cut that piece off. Excellent. Call me. I'll put this off here. Little gentle cuts. Not being too aggressive. Let's see if that guy fits, huh? It's a little on the, a little long. Okay. But now I got my sanding block. There we go. Let's try this side too. Maybe that's enough. Nice. Okay. Okay. Look at that. See? A little bit of glue. Be in good shape, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And you stay. Just like a little. Not much. Just back in there now. Oops, sorry for that. Alright. Okay, get lined up, feel it with my fingers, it's all lined up. Yeah, it's a little bit high right here now, it's okay. I'm gonna take that down in just a minute. Okay? So, take this guy out here. There we go. Oh yeah. So that feels pretty good, right? Now, take my block plane that I got right here. Okay, this guy. Yep. Start blending it in right now. Okay. Okay. I'm good. Maybe it's a little wide, but if I center it, that'd be good. Okay. Now I'm gonna take my sanding block here. Okay. Oh. Isn't that nice? How's it look? Pretty good?
Yep.
Okay. Sounds good? Maybe a little bit right here, right? I can blend that in just a little. Yeah, it just totally disappeared. Just about. I got a little bit of glue residue, but I'll get that off. So when I go paint that, shoot, that'd be good, man. Now I can do this one. Ready? Blend that guy in. Okay. So nice. Same and okay. We can do this. I guess I can put a little glue in that little joint there to tighten it up a little. There we go. Just, there you go. There. So now put some sanding on that, and that sand, the dust will mix with that glue. There you go. See it? If I took it out again. Well, we can fix that with the primer. There you go. That's how you do a Dutchman real quick, you know, out in the field with just a couple of basic tools. Okay, so here's that Dutchman I did. You can barely even tell where it was. I mean, you can see maybe there's a little knock right there, but that's one Dutchman. And my other Dutchman is, you can see it. Which one is it? No, it's not that one. Look, oh, there it is. There it is. That's my Dutchman. Not bad. Worked out pretty good. Thanks for watching. Love you guys.